able to figure it out. Watch one more time, then you'll see the solution. Now, x squared plus 6x. This is your main function because g comes first. All right? Now, whenever you see x here, you're going to plug in the second function, which is x squared minus 1. Because the reason is h of x plugged in already here. That's why you're plugging in whenever you see x. So whenever you see x, you will plug in entire second function, which is h of x, x squared minus 1. All right?
Yes.
So let's get started. X. When you see x, you plug in entire second function, so which is x squared minus 1. This is x, but we have 2 here. Don't forget to put it on. Plus 6 times x. What is x? X squared. Yes, sir.
Yes, good, thank you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that. All right, stay focused. So 6x. You saw here, you're seeing here, 6 times x. So x was, whenever you see x, you plug in entire second function, which is x squared minus 1. Let's do the color code. X squared minus 1. After this, we're going to solve for that. If I ask you, what is the square of x squared minus 1, I bet you're going to say x to the power of 4 plus 1, right?
A plus b, a minus c.
Oh, no, this is the difference of squares. Actually, you're right. That's a difference of squares. But we're doing now is squaring, taking a square of binomial. Okay,
Yes.
here's the shortcut. I'm going to show you. Let's pause this class here and then show you some couple more examples. What is a plus b parentheses square is equal to? All right, what is a square and
Can I take the answer?
answer of this? So is that right? We're missing one thing. Okay, let me show you what we're missing. Okay, what is a plus b parentheses square means we're multiplying the base 2 times by itself, right? So that's what I did. You multiply base a plus b 2 times and then distribute, correct? A times a squared. A times b, I'm done with this. And now the second one, b times a, b, same thing. And b times b. So what have you noticed what I'm missing here? There you go. 1ab plus 1 more ab, that makes 2ab. Okay, so this is very long. So I don't want you to do this every single time, because here's a shortcut. Here's that. All open? All ready to learn? Right? Take the first term square. It's right here. Take the second term square. Right there. Multiply first and second term. What will you get? Multiply first and second term. A times b is equal to ab times 2. 2ab. That's the shortcut. Take this first term squared, take the second term squared, multiply first and second term, and then double it.
It would be 4x squared plus x to the 4th
Be patient, be patient.
minus 5.
We need one more example. I'm going to go back to the original question. Well, good job, though. For example, x plus 2y parentheses square. Go ahead, Matan. What is the square of this?
What? X plus 2?
X plus 2y parentheses square is equal to?
It's equal to 2x squared.
X
Take the first term square. All right, let's do all together.
X squared plus 4y squared.
4y squared. Done? That's what I've been explaining.
2x. I mean 4x.
4y.
What was the rule? First term square, good. Second term square, here. What we're going to do? What we were going to do?
Double it.
First multiply, then double it. Multiply first and second term.
2y.
2yx, 2xy, double it.
4x.
4xy. You're learning. One more. One more example. 2k plus 2m parentheses square. Take the first term square, which is
Squared. 2k squared.
4k square. Take both. That 2 affects both things. 2 square and k square. 4k square. Is that clear so far?
Yeah.
Take the second term square, Emmanuel. Take the second term square. You're right. 4m square. You guys are forgetting that 2 affects first and second term. 4m squared. Final step, Carlos. Multiply first and second term. Go ahead. 2k times 2m is equal to 4k m. Last step, times 2. 4k m gonna be times 2,
8k.
8k m. You need one more?
No.
We can do one more.
No.
Okay, then let's get back to the original question. Here you go. You guys go. You go, guys. Same example. We're taking the square of a binomial.
It's x. To
Take the first term square.
x
I'm
to
gonna
the
talk to me.
power.
The first term
Yes.
and the second one.
Take the first term square. What is x squared square?
X to x4.
2x.
X squared parentheses square is equal to x to the power
To
of
the power 4.
4. Good job. Okay. You were the only one. I was trying to listen to classroom. Okay. Took the first term square. Take the second term square. Negative 1 squared is equal to 1. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Plus 1. So what I'm going to write in the middle, Carlos? Go ahead.
Huh?
No, pay attention. Keep on task. Multiply first and second one. First term times second term. X squared times negative 1.
Negative x squared.
Negative x squared times 2.
Negative 2x.
X squared times negative 1 is negative x squared times 2.
Negative x squared.
That's it. We'll do more practice, all right? And then continue.
Right.
Distribute that. Let me see.
I got 4x squared plus x to the 4th squared minus 5. That's right. 100%.
Say again.
4x squared plus x to the 4th.
Is that the same?
Yeah.
Is that the same with this? This is the right answer here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean,
No.
4x squared minus 4x squared
no, not minus this.
plus.
That's a plus.
Yes, correct. Good job. Excellent. Plus 6x squared. We distribute minus 6. Any question?
No.
Go ahead and continue the rest of them, guys.
Oh, yes, maybe idea.
Here you go. Let's finalize this. And we're going to focus on like terms. Remember, like terms are related with exponents. If the exponents are same, they are alike. And the numbers are like terms, but there's no exponents. So I said exponents supposed to be same, right? But there's no exponents. In that case, there's x to the power of 0. So exponents are same. What is x to the power of 0? 0 power of anything?
1.
That's why 1 times 1 is 1. Negative 6 times 1, negative 6. That is the logic why they are like terms. They are numbers. Okay, then add like terms. There is no like term with x to the power of 4 because there is no power like 4. There's no fourth power. And add the same color. 6x squared minus 2x squared. Negative 6 plus 1.
Negative 5x.
Attention. Now, where we're going to start, ladies, guys, pay attention. Where we're going to start? Where's the starting point to that question? G. So G what?
Negative.
G O what?
Negative 3 over 2.
Okay, we're gonna start from here. This is the first question. We will find this first. Is equal to question mark. So here you go. X is negative 3 over 2 here. G negative 3 over 2. X equal negative 3 over 2. So plug it in here. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start from here. Cube root of 2 times x is equal to and minus 5. This is where cube root ends. Okay, 1 is out there. Plus 1. 1 is out there. Okay. Now let's solve this one. That is equal. See, we can simplify that. 2's cancels out, or just multiply. 2 times negative 3 is equal to negative 6. Negative 6 divided by 2 is it's going to be negative 3, right?
Yeah.
Negative 3 minus 5 plus 1 is out there. Okay, continue. What do we have in the cube root? Good job. So one more step, actually a couple more steps. How can you guys write negative 8 as exponents?
2 as, no.
Right? Go ahead. 2 to the power of?
Negative 2 to the power of 3.
Right. Because 8 is equal to how many times you multiply 2 by itself? Class. Carlos, let's focus on the question.
It's 2 cubed.
So how many times should I multiply 2 by itself in order to get 8? 3 times. So that means cube. Okay. Put it back in. Don't forget the negative sign. What is next?
You, to the 9.
Just simplify. 3 cancels out.
Okay, yeah, that's all.
I'm gonna show you why it can later.
Is that 3? The outside 3, isn't it?
Yeah, both 3, both cube root.
No,
When
is
you
the outside an exponent?
yes,
Yeah, so are we supposed to square negative 2?
there's nothing related with square because that's the index is 3 over there. It's not 2. If that would be 2,
Square root sign.
square root this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's the number 3.
No, I mean like the symbol.
That there's no, the symbol is square root sign. Square root sign, but this is the index is 3. This number is 3 plus 1. 3 cancels out. Negative 2 left out. So result going to be negative 1. So what we get? What is this? What is negative 1? We found g of negative 3 over 2 is equal to negative 1. Okay, let's get back.
Shouldn't you have done like, isn't the exponent supposed to be a fraction whenever it's like that?
Exponent supposed to be fraction?
Yeah.
Which one? Go ahead and show.
Like,
Of 3 over 2 is equal to negative 1. Let's go back up. We know this one inside. What is this? Negative 1. Okay, new question is here. What was that? Negative 1, right? Here's the final question. What is h of negative 1? Because we found here already. You said tres. Okay, let's check. So h, in this case, what is y?
-1.
Y is -1. Plug it in here. 2 minus y is -1 here, as you see. That makes 2 plus 1. That makes 3. Who remembered this question how to do?
It's the easiest question.
One of the easiest questions, Carlos.
It's plug it in before you find
Plug it in, you're right.
plug in.
Yes, we plugged in. Next. So first question is in FO1. Okay, he's right. First question is FO1. So FO1, where? This is H, this is F. Go to the right address. Go to the right address. FO1 here is equal to -1. Here you go. Okay, now next question. This is -1. Next question is h of -1. H of -1. Where's -1? Makes it 0.5. Next question. Okay.